Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yet seems like we are heading here for further downside at the moment. The market is coming down at the moment. This doesn't mean that the overall uptrend necessarily is over. It could be. Yeah, I've mentioned that on Friday in the videos already that we could have a more substantial top here in place as well for Ethereum. For me now, yeah, the view is that either we've put in here a 5-wave move and we are already coming down, that we finished all of this. This is not my primary expectation. Yeah, I don't think personally at the moment that the high is already in. I can't rule out that it is in, but it's not my primary expectation. I think we rather have the situation here, and you can count it that way as well, that we have an extended fourth wave. So we might be resetting this fourth wave to the downside. Important is now to not, let's say, take out the imminent possibility for further upside. We need to hold the 19,870 level, because this year, yeah, we had from the low here around 18,160. Yeah, we had our 5-wave move. So we can say this was wave 1, this was wave 2, this was wave 3, this was wave 4. And actually we've got 5 waves complete for Bitcoin. That's why I told you on Friday a more substantial top could be in place, but it's not my primary expectation. So what are the possibilities here? I showed you that in previous videos as well. Just wanted to explain that again. So yeah, wave 1 in, wave 2 in, and then wave 3 in. But the point is now that this wave 4, which we thought could have been in place here already at around $20,000, maybe this was never a wave 4. Maybe this was only the wave A of the wave 4. So that we have actually from this high, which was the wave 3 top, and I zoom in a little bit more, so that we came down in an A only, that this was an overshooting wave B, because it was not a clear wave 5, it wasn't really long enough. I would have liked to see a move to 21.7k. I think that can still happen, but maybe we'll see a reset of the wave 4 here around the $20,000 level, and then move up. Yeah, so this wave 4 actually sits here, and the wave 5 is still to move. So this is sort of what I'm looking at now with this decline today. Taking it out because it is quite an engulfing red candle that's playing out here at the moment. The other possibility would be that we're putting in here a 1-2 setup and would move up from here. So this is also possible, but to basically confirm that, what we would want to see is a break above the $21,490 level next. And on the way down now, for the 1-2 setup, we need to hold the 20,355 level, which is the 78.6% retracement. If we don't hold that level, then I think we've got here the A, B, C, and really only if we break below the 19,870 level, then we've got a much deeper retracement, in which we probably then had already the wave 2 in up here. Yeah, so a more substantial top. So we take it level by level with Bitcoin. It's not the most reliable chart. We talked about that before as well. Therefore, in my trading, I rather focus on Ethereum at the moment. Of course, I will let you know as soon as the reliability of the Bitcoin chart increases and a more clear trend is in place. But it seems like we are heading here for further downside at the moment. You can also draw a nice trend line here. Yeah, so this comes in the form of basically, an ascending wedge. You could, if you want to look at it like that, let me take this line out here. But you can see an ascending trend line here. I mean, this would be sort of the obvious one, coming down now to that level actually. Yeah. Again, key support also just from a structural point of view. If you just look at the chart, you can see that coming down here, we just sort of broke a trend line here, because this was some kind of a channel in which we were operating. So we broke out of the channel to the downside. Now, bear in mind, the 4-hour candle hasn't closed yet, but it's quite a deep move down here just before the candle close. So if this persists and we're heading further down, then next key support would be around the $20,500 level, because this is a fib level. Yeah, this target box is where the target box starts. And then I think we've got the trend line here. And then we have support at the 20K level, obviously, yeah, all the way down to 19,870. So all of this, there's a lot of support in this yellow box, really. But bear in mind that the first key support will be here at the $20,500 level, and the trend line will add some extra support as well. So yeah, let's see where this takes us. We have no invalidation of the uptrend yet, but it looks like with this red, quite impulsive move down, that we're heading for some further downside. Again, for any earlier breakout to the upside, we will now need to break above the 21,400 and, well, let's say 80 level. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.